Ava's away. You know what that means? I get to steal all her products that she never lets me use. Let's go, baby. First up, I need a cleanser. I'm gonna go with this Crave Beauty Jelly Oil Cleanser. I never get to use any of Ava's Crave products, so going with this one. Shout out to Leah. Next up, I need a toner. I'm gonna go with this Ski Essence one. I hope Essence is the same thing as toner, but I know this one is super expensive, which is why I'm picking it. Step C, serum time, baby. I'm gonna go with this Salwa Su one. Definitely pronouncing that wrong. Look, it's custom to Ava. She's gonna be super pissed I'm using this. Also, I know it's her mom's favorite brand, and I am very afraid of her, so I feel like I have to pick this. Next up, for the moisturizer, I'm gonna go with this one. Never heard of the brand. Is it Jessica Alba's? Not sure. Also, it has white truffle in it. Love it in my food. Is it good for skincare? We'll see. Last but not least, gotta get the eye cream in. Gonna go with this 111 Skin one, mainly because it has black diamond in it. Didn't know that was a thing. Is that the ingredient, or is it like, oh, I'm skiing and I'm going on a black diamond? Right, so there you have it. There's my routine. The Crave Cleanser, the Ski Essence Toner, the Solhwa Su Serum, Jessica Alba's White Truffle Moisturizer, the 111 Skin Black Diamond Eye Cream. Boom pow, let's go, baby.